for gifts are so much fun because there's just so many different styles that you can make. So this one's a really fun one. So go ahead and grab a book page or music paper or leftover wrapping paper, anything you'd like really. And you're going to go ahead and fold it in half. And then you're going to fold it in half again, so you're in quarters. And then you're going to cut, make sure you're cutting on the open side, okay, not the folded edge. You want to be on the open side. And you're going to cut strips, leaving just a little bit on the top. I would say leave at least 2 centimeters on the top, just so it doesn't fall apart. And you're going to cut straight lines up. And these are about a ½ centimeter apart. Do not need to be exact at all. This is just a fun way to top a gift or even to decorate a vase. And then when you go ahead and unfold it, make sure you get the ones that you missed right here. And then open this all the way up, like so. Oop. Then you can either use this quilling tool, which just has like a slit in the middle, and you're just going to curl, 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 and then let go. Another way to do this, if you don't want your curls quite as tight, is you can just take a pencil or a pen and curl it around that. That's going to give you a little bit of a wider curl. It just really depends on what you're looking for. I like the tighter curls. Of course I like the tighter curls because that's what's going to take the most amount of time. You know, just the way it works. But once you get into this, it goes quite fast. So I'm going to continue curling these. While I'm doing this, it would be a great time for you to like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of the weekly tutorials. They're always on book folding or some sort of upcycling craft related to paper. And I would always love comments of what you used your bow for, just so we can inspire each other. I'm going to continue to curl, 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 and then we'll meet back and I will show you how to finish our fun bow. So stay tuned. So once you're done with all the curling, it's going to look like this, and then you're going to fold it back in half on that original fold, and then just kind of curl it up a little bit, fold it a few times, like so, like so, and there you have it. You have this really fun bow. Now, what you can do with the bow is you can go ahead and take this floral wire, it's 18 gauge, put it in the middle, like so. And then twist it, and then you have it attached to something more solid, and then you can just go ahead and glue this shut around it. I'm just using a little bit of hot glue, like so, just to, and now you have this really fun bow. You can put it on a gift, but because you have ready, since I put it on the floral wire, again, which is not necessary at all, you could go ahead and add it to a book folding if you want. It'd be really pretty right here. You could just go ahead and add that in. You could just, if you have wire cutters, you can just go ahead and trim this and make it a whole lot shorter. And of course it always goes flying. So don't have your best friend next to you. And then you could just like put it in like so. I think that'd be really, really pretty, just like that. Or you can just put on a gift. So really fun little detail that you can add to many different projects. Happy folding.